Right, hi folks. Well, I hope every single one of you are all safe and well and you're all in good health. Now, we're kicking the video off again over at gamblersden.com, where please remember, get your big wins in and see the amount of wins that are coming in. There's tons. I'm actually inundated on the email and most importantly over on the den. You should see these. You need to get head on over and check these out. It gives me an idea of what games to play, but as I've said a million times, the most important thing is it lets people know that low stakes can pay. I mean, £2 in 20p and stuff, it's insane. I think that was the big one in Sunday's video there. It's honestly insane. Kings of Crystal, £2 for 20p. It's crazy. Absolutely insanity. So the more people that show the wins off, the better. Right, and also remember the giveaways over on the den, £3,000 every single month, the lads giveaway. And the most important thing that I've said 100 times over, you do not need to make a deposit. There's still a couple of you question that. You honestly do not need to make a deposit. You only need to have used the lads' link to have signed up to the casino to be entered into the giveaways, and that is honestly happy days to us here. So please remember that. And then also, Kev, for those of you that don't know, Kev, Secular Slots is back. He's back in action. He's back on the slots, and he done a live stream. It was a good bonus hunt. So if you haven't checked that out, you can head on over. But he's trying to get to the 1,000 subs. He's at 837. You could push him towards that K subs. That would be greatly appreciated. And then here we're starting the video exactly where we left off the last time you saw us here. I think there's maybe a rainbow treasure been added on. Not too sure. It could be wrong in that one. I think that's maybe the next video. I got the text the other day. I don't even know. Sorry. I should really plan these intros and stuff. I just don't do it. I just go with the flow. Right, anyway, enough rambling on with the video. Right, here we go. I'm actually going to give this it's a new game, but it's Slingo, and you know me, I hate these. I never ever play them, right? But we're down at 143 on another couple of new games, and they were awful. Just absolutely awful. No doing a thing. So I might as well give these a go. But you know me, I hate them. What are we doing? How's that no spinning then? Huh? I've had to pick. I pick it? Huh? I get to pick. I don't know what I'm doing on these. A rocket. There's that one. That gives me a spin. So I just need that for a line then. I should have picked number 10, innit? You can see I don't play these. I just don't like them, folks. Because it's how much you've got to spend in the finish up. Got to be that, innit? This. Take it. It's that for. Don't know if this is a good setup or what. There you go, Slingo. That'll do with one. Super wild. What does that do? Hang on a minute. Wait a minute here. Yeah, so I pick that. That's another line. Right. Super wild. So what can I pick in? I can pick in here then. So if is it? And then I pick that. This one. And what do we get? Collect. Oh, it's 20p. No, you could unlock 20. Oh wow! Right, this is where they get me, man. Right, here we go. Spin. Ticket. Oh, this game's a ticket. Oh man. And then you'd get nothing. Wow. Wow. Right, here we go. We've won 40p, huh? Dear, sir. Spinning for 62p. To win what? Total stake 384. Oh man, why are these a thing? Fucking hell, man. Dear. We've won £1.60, huh? Now we're spinning for £1.60 and my total bet's a fiver. Ah, dear, sir. Well, number 29. Oh, Slingo, huh? Wow, there I'm only doing £2. See, I should really collect that, because there your stake now is £2. Buy extra spin, aye. Dear, fuck. There, I took it. Oh, we only need 2, huh? Fucking hell, man. Total stake of £13. And another ticket. Oh, we've got the tickets. Of all of them, whatever that thing does. Dear, open envelopes to win the prizes. Wow, what are we getting here? Come on. 40p! Oh, wow, man. 40p! Holy fuck, for another 40p, that's insane. That's insane. Congratulations. You've just been ripped off. Wow, man. Fuck. Wow, that's wow. See, that's got that up above there and you're thinking, oh, hey, I'm in for some of this bad boy here. No, you're not. You're really in for 40p. Wow, man. Wow, oh, I'm spinning again. Do you know that? That's insane to me. That's insane. Oh, we've another golden ticket, eh? Wow. Who wants that? Nobody. Spin for £6.94. Oh, wow, man. Fucking hell, man. I've got to spin that. This is insane. You can't buy a bonus, eh? There you go. Can't buy a bonus, but there we go. Holy lump fuck. Wow, man. Fucking hell, man. 36 quid we're done. Dear fuck, man. I'll never play this as long as I live. Ever. 50 fucking pound. 50 fucking pound. They're 20 quid. Right. Full house. What do you get for a full? Right, here we go. Spin. Oh, we're fucking spinning. Fuck me, man. Dear fuck, man. There you go, full house. Thank you. What do we get for that? What do we get for a full fucking house game? Better be something decent, I'll tell you that. Here we go. See, it has me with 40p here. I swear to it. Oh, well, you're joking. I have to pack these. It's that shite. Well, £30 I've already did I get. It's 30 quid. It's £30. You're guaranteed that. Wow, man. Oh, fuck me, man. Wow. Dear fuck. There you go. One of each, huh? One of each upcoming. Oh, who would have guessed that? Who would have guessed we're going to get one of each there, huh? Wow, man. I'll never play this Slingo shite again. Play Slingo, I get asked. Wow, man. There you go. Prime example. Why not to play Slingo? Dear fuck. Is it going to give me one? It's going to give me one each all the way through. No, there you go. There's a minute. There you go. Minute. 30 quid. Wow. Wow, man. Dear. £63 that cost, huh? Oh, wow. Come on, get me out of that. Dear, there you go, huh? There you go, one prime example. I'm keeping this in the video, right? There's one prime example why you do not play Slingo. Wow, can't buy a bonus. Can't buy a bonus. But there you go, this is legal. Crazy. Right, £80. I think I'm going to do the random wheel. Right, I'll bring these back in. Right, here we go. It's time for the slot provider random wheel. And now Big Time Gaming has won the poll by a mere 3%. It was 40% Big Time Gaming, 37% for No Limit City, 12% for Push Gaming, 11% for Hacksaw. I'm surprised by that, so but there's recording this video, at the time of recording this video, there's 427 votes, and I honestly cannot thank you all enough. So the more of you that get involved, the better. It's honestly, that's blew me away. Honestly cannot thank you all enough. And to get involved in the polls, all you do is click on the channel, click view channel, click community up the top there, and that takes you straight to the community post page, where most importantly is the polls. Every single Thursday there'll be a poll, so get involved, get your game suggestions in for the polls and stuff, and we'll add it to the list. Right, no messing about, here we go, straight in about it, give me a good game. I'll update the poll with all the new slots, the new beef lightning in it. It's beef lightning. I've never had a bonus on this game. I've never had a bonus on this game. Right, I'll remove that. I'll bring these back in once I get there. Right, here we go, beef lightning time. Now, to me, I'm actually due a bonus on this. What was that, 111? Oh aye, it's the winnings. I'm thinking with the £80 left, it's the winnings, it's the £30. But there, where's the auto? There it's there. Sorry, I'm looking for the auto click button. I couldn't find it, I'm forgetting where it is. Right, there we go, right. Say we're starting with 111. I still see in my head though, I still can't get that Slingo out my mind. It's honestly awful, that's why I don't play them. But as I said earlier there, I get asked to actually give them a go. But that'll be me. You'll never see a Slingo game for about another 2 years. It's just awful, man. So bad. Anyway though, to me, I'm due a bonus on this. But what I'll do the usual, bring these back in about 50x in, let you know how it's been playing, and hopefully I can get a bonus. That's a tease. That's a tease, that's a good tease, surely. There's a bonus, +4. What is the bonus? Oh, the wheel. I'm forgetting, that is the bonus with +4. That's the best we've ever done. 16. It's only cost me £6.34p. See the wheel, folks, it brings out the best. It is the wheel knows. Like, come on, beef lightning. Well, I've had a bonus on it, I'm forgetting I've actually had a bonus as well. There's 360 straight away. The whales are landing in like nothing else. Still going. No one. There's a cash back. Right, and in here's profit. Well, 15 spins a sheer profit here. Get the cash back off that Slingo shite, man. I don't know why I played it. I saw it was new and I just thought, right, I'll give it a go. Wow, can't believe it. We need these in though, innit? I forget how this works. Oh, we need some of this in. Look at the amount of wilds there. And then that multiplies the one at the end, innit? I think. Horseshoe counts. Whales are just landing all over the place. Need many of this, man. Come on, 12 spins, God, I stand whatever this is, get the cows in, or whatever that is. I just forget what it is. There's one of them there. Plus 10 spins? Plus 10 spins? Come on, man, get this in here. There we go, thank you. Big move. Wow, man. Surely this must compare. It's been that long for I've saw big wins on this, and I think we've only ever had one bonus on it. So I don't even know what I'm looking for, I forget. Is that times and that by 6? I can't remember. Or is it 6 times your... Oh, it's times your stake, innit though? It's something. 17 spins. 16. Go on! How is he get these again though? Shy Charlie. Shy Charlie used to win out this quite a few. And it was these he was getting. On 13 spins. Keep getting these in here. Come on then. Slowing down a bit, innit? Still 10 spins though. Have that one there. Oh, that'll do it. Come on. More. Come on, get the wheels in or something then. Oh, that'll do it. I don't know what's better. The cows or that. Like, what's... Oh, that multiplies that. Right. That's just 45 times your stake, innit? Big gold coin, thank you. That'll do. Oh, fuck, just missed the reds. Come on, another big gold coin. How do you get that rosette thing though? It's honestly been that long since I saw a bonus on it, I cannot remember. Come on, another big gold coin here, last spin. Get in. Gold coin. I could have been alright there if that was that. There we go. That's decent. There, 25 quid. That's happy days, only cost us £6.34p. More or less up 100x there. And then it's that, the count option on big time gaming. It's honestly the best count option in any game. Right, can't leave on a win. And that is a great start. In fact, there we're up £20.48p. Happy days to that, I'll tell you. Right, wheel. Come on, wheel. Same again. You've put me in a good mood. Slingo had me down in the dumps. Max Megaways made not Rasputin. I was on that Rasputin. I was on it the other day there for 40 minutes. Nothing. Just couldn't get a bonus on it, but I like this. I do like this Max Megaways. Right, I'll bring you back in once I get there. Right, here we go. Max Megaways time. I'm just going to stick that straight into the auto and say we're starting with 132. I'll do the usual, bring these back in about 50x, let you know how it's been playing. Right, here we go, that's us coming up to 50x in, we're £9.49. The actual profit loss thing's working and I'm happy actually to see it working. It makes such a difference just to know how much exactly you're spending rather than sitting actually having to watch the balance like a hawk. But I haven't even had a tease. Not even a tease. But it's playing not too bad though. Plenty of base game wins to keep it, you know what I mean, keep it ticking over. Look, I've been on here for 11 and a half minutes, nearly 12 minutes, and that's only £10.3p away. So that's pretty decent. Anyway though, I'll give it the full 100x, because the big time gaming slots, most of them need the 100x to try and get the bonus. Right, hopefully I can get it. I'll bring these back in. Oh hey. Tease. There's 10s. There's an actual tease. That's a super bonus. Get in. There it is. Is that the super? £16.61. It's not the super. What am I thinking of? Why is it got the diamond in it? Huh? Oh, I don't know. 2 scatter re-trigger. Double multiplier. Increase ways. Don't know what would be better there. Why was that diamond in there again? It's been that long since I've played this, I can't remember. We'll get this multiplier. That was times 6. Keep one in. It is, it's going up on Tuesday. Keep one in. Oh, queens! Queens, best reels. 1080. Queen's a pain. You dirty rotten git man. A queen was pain there. There's the count. That's the best count option. That one. Brilliant. See a queen there though. 2s and 3s and 2s. 2s and 3s. Look. That was pain there. Times 12. 7 spins left. Oh, come on. Keep one in, man. A re-trigger here. This is going off. Don't dead spin. 5 spins left. 1 man. It goes good then to do this. Oh, don't, man. Come on. 1. The blues. Blues and aces. King me. 4. 3 spins at times 14. 2 scar re-trigger. That would be nice. This is the profit now. Come on, man. 1. 2 spins. Come on, 1. Last spin. Do something stupid here. Wildsty. Oh, re-trigger. Get in. That re-triggered. It was going nuts. Times 16. There we go. It's another bonus and it's another bit of profit. £21. There, we're up a £5. That should have went off there. And what's that the actual? I need to check this while I'm here. There it's. Scatter, no, it's no. There's 2 scars and the regular gold scar with the diamond mega scar. It was. Well, that was the mega scatter. 3 more scar, 10 free spins plus the 2 each scar beyond. Is it? Oh, I don't even know. I don't know, man. Right, anyway, back to the wheel. Right, come on, wheel. Something decent here. Something decent again. Chocolates. Kevin loves chocolates. Absolutely loves the game. But it was we got the bonus. It was me and Kevin got the bonus on. It was it Mansion Casino. We got it on the 30s, and it never played the bonus, and we never got a single thing for it. Raging. I've never played there again. I don't think. Don't think we've played there. Right, anyway, I'll bring you back in once I get there. Right, here we go. Time for chocolates. I'm actually looking forward to this. They're £137 on the nose. That is happy days. Right, straight into the auto click, and I'll do the usual. Bring these back in about 50x and let you know how it's been playing. Right, here we go. That's us coming up to 50x in. We're actually £9.50, or we were £9.50 there. Just coming up to the tenner. And I've had 5 teasies. I've had actual 5 teasies. So I'm hoping in the next 50x I get another 5. And to me, if that happens, surely we'll get the bonus in it. But you would think that anyway. I've got my hopes up. Right, anyway, hopefully we can get it. Right, I'll bring these back in. Come on, this is its last chance. Away! Oh, that's 8 teasies. That's either 8 or 9 teasies. I'm just going to keep these here. We're £19 in. It's, I honestly thought we were going to get it. Purples. I honestly thought we were going to get it. Come on, tease again. Just one more tease. It's always just one more tease, isn't it? That's when I lose. See, when it's waiting in one more tease, that's when they get me. That's when I start to lose. 2 spins left. Come on, last spin. £20 6p. Help. Oh, I honestly thought we were going to get that. Right, back to the wheel. Right, come on. Come on, magic wheel, do your stuff. What are we getting? Gold Megaways. No, I'll take Vegas. There, that does me. That gold Megaways just does not like me. But we'll see what this is all about. Right, I'll bring these back in once I get there. Right, here we go, Vegas Megaways. Now, I have been on this, but I can't remember if I've had a bonus on it or not. I don't think I've actually had a bonus on it, do you know that? I honestly cannot remember. Is that a tease? That's a tease. Do it straight away. Clover thing. How good would that have been? On it in a way. Right, anyway, sorry, before I get totally lost. Right, so we're starting with 116. I'll do the usual, bring these back in about 50x. Right, here we go there, we're just over the 50x in. It hasn't done a thing, folks. Zero, no teas, no nothing. There's two, that's what it does, just drops two in with no one. It's just not done much at all. But anyway, not much further to go. I'll give it the full, not much longer to go I should say, I'll give it the full 100x. Right, I'll bring these back in. There's a tease. Come on, bonus, Queen of 9 bonus. Fuck away, man. Oh, wow. How hard is it to get a tease, never mind a bonus? Right, I'm just going to keep these here. We've got £1 to go. We've 5 spins left. That's the only thing it's done. That's crazy. How hard is this to bonus? Like, someone please let me know what this is like to actually get a bonus on it. Because it surely can't be that hard to get a tease. That's insane to me. Well, there we go. That's us. Well, there it's done. No, I don't know what to say to that. I'm honest, I'm speechless. I can't believe how hard that is to get a tease. Never mind a bonus. Right, back to the wheel. Right, here we go. Right, come on, give me Outlaw. Actually, I'm desperate to play Outlaw. Donuts is solid. Kevin hates it. Oh no, Kevin, I love it. I honestly love donuts, but it's hard. But Kevin, donuts doesn't like Kevin, and Kevin doesn't like it. He just cannot get a bonus on it. Right, I'll bring these back in once I get there. Right, here we go. Donuts. Now, I honestly, I love donuts. It's a great game, but Kevin, as I said, it's Kevin just doesn't like it. He cannot get a bonus on it. And we used to try it all the time, and he couldn't get it. I think he's only ever had like 1 or 2 bonuses on it. But hopefully it's good to me today. I'd say we're starting with 96. I'll do the usual, bring these back in about 50x. Come on, first 2 of these. First 2 deals, first 3. Sorry, I was looking at, there we go. Right, hang on, I need to stop that. No, what took me by surprise, the actual net loss is working, and that was exactly £8.88p, 888. That's an omen. This has got to pay me, innit? This ain't nothing, man. Right, come on, get me the big 50x. We've never had it. We've never ever had it. I'll do it. Come on. That is with a big gold 50x donut. Tiny bit more. Oh, don't be over. One more. Not greedy, just one. Don't be. Right, here we go. Donuts. Fill the screen with purples. Come on, slow spin me. There we go, thank you. Greens. That's the queens. Queens. Slow spin again, but give it a donuts. One more slow spin, thank you. Blues. Blues. Okay, 9 blues, blues. And then don't even think the blue would have been better than but just a single. Don't even know. Come on, 4 spins. That's the cash back. Reds. Reds. Red as reds. There's reds. Reds on the end, 2 of them. And a 5. You need it to be doubled up. Got to be doubles. Doubles and trebles when you're sitting at times 13. That's nice though. 13 pound. Can't see us getting another slow spin though. Oh, retrigger will take that all day long. Get away with you. Last spin. There we go, that's nice. There we go, 1660. Double one money. 1560. There you go. 1560. Happy days. Up £6.52. Right, back to the fuel. No. Oh fuck, the autoclick's going. The autoclick's going. I'm clicking it and then it's clicking back on it. I'm thinking, what's going on there? Right, here we go. Right, come on, fuel. Give me another bonus. Outlaw. Hit me with Outlaw. No, Dragon Ball, you're joking. It's Dragon Ball. Oh dear, it can pay. It's actually not too bad. It's just that I would honestly prefer one of the newer slots. I do like it though. Right, I'll bring these back in once I get there. Right, here we're back at the wheel, right? But Dragon Ball's not there. But remember the other day there where Extra Chili came up and a hit wasn't there? Well, they've got Extra Chili. Hits actually reappeared, but they've not got Dragon Ball. It's not like I don't know what to say to that. That's phenomenal to me. They might have been working on the game or something like on Extra Chili, and now they're working on Dragon Ball. I don't know, but whatever it is, it's not there. But Extra Chili, like earlier on, I actually added Extra Chili back into the wheel. That should be in here. There it's there. Couldn't see if I looking at it. I'm away looking up here. Right, anyway, sorry, I'm getting distracted. Right, here we go. Back onto the wheel. Come on, man, something decent. Give me Outlaw. Temple Quest. We should get this. Like, you should get a bonus on this. Right, I'll bring these back in once I get there. Right, here we go. Temple Quest Spinfinity. Now we should get a bonus on this. Just stick that straight into the auto. Right, there we go. Right, say we're starting with 102. Do the usual. Bring these back in about 50x. Let us know how it's been playing. Oh, come on. 3 spins. Fuck off. That's nice. 932. Right, I'll just keep you here. That was us about £10 in. There you go. That's us back to square one. I've been on the game for 11 minutes. And see, I like it. Like, I know, like, it doesn't really pay much, like, in the base game and stuff, but that there's a big win for this game. But it's like, when you do get the bonus, you need the re-triggers. It's got to keep re-triggering and re-triggering, because, like, you could get, like, a big massive square. That big square could land in the full screen, hit maybe aces, and that's only paying a £5. But it's the free spins, they just keep going and going and going, and it just all adds up. Right, anyway though, that's put a smile on my face. Right, I've got my hopes up again. Right, I'll bring these back in anyway. There the free spins there. It's only cost £6.88. I got a nice I got a £5 base game one, then I got that £10 base game one. I've been on the game for 15 minutes 55 seconds. Right, here we go. It's all about the re-triggers here. We've only got the 6. It's this tune. Ghost Chili loves this tune. There's a full screen. So you need the re-triggers. Got to get the 3 spins in. Come on. I think the most spins I've seen was 160 something. Come on, 3 spins, man. That should be not too bad. 5 anyway. 3 pounds, just a 5. 3 spins. Last spin. It's a cash back, I'll tell you. It's a cash back. $6.54. I've only spent 54p. Oh, there's another little bit. Spent 10p. There we go. And there, I've been on here for 17 minutes, right? And that 17 minutes of having fun on a slot. Do you know what I mean? Right, there we go. And it's another bonus added to the list. Right, back to the wheel. Right, come on, outlaw me. Hit me with outlaw. King of cards. Diamond fruits, I like this. Diamond fruits it is. I really like this. Right, I'll bring these back in once I get there. Right, here we go. Diamond fruits. 100. Say we're starting with 102. Right, no messing about. Straight in about it, straight into the auto click. I'll do the usual, bring these back in about 50x. Like he's not how it's been played. Right, fill the screen here. It's a max screen. Fill it. Keep going, keep going, keep. A wipeout. Come on. Get wilds in. Plenty of wilds there. Oh, it's took them all away. You need it to keep the wilds, man. It's so hard. It's so hard to get the bonus. In fact, right there, we're £9.40 in, right? There you go, they're 50x. Well, I think we're just over 50x there, but we're under it now. Right, but there I've been on this game for 22 minutes. 22 minutes, and that's it, just coming up with 50x away. It's like I'm going to be on this slot 40 minutes at least, like to spend the 100x. But I like this. I do like this slot. It's my type of game with the clusters and stuff. It's so hard to get the bonus. Right, but anyway though, we'll bring these back in. Right, here we go. That's us coming up to the 100x in. I've been on here for nearly 34 minutes. It's so hard to get a bonus on it, folks. I do like it. I've said to you, I do like the slot, but it's solid. It's honestly solid to get. It's just, see, like, I've been there. I've been needing the 1-1 a few times, right? But you know that you've not a hope, because the way it's set up, you've got to hope like 5 of the 1 symbol drops in to give you that win. You can't get anything to give you a hand. Oh, there's a win. That's £20.5p. It's just so hard. Right, no one till we go. No. Right, there we go, £20, 20p. Right, back to the fuel. Right, come on, hit me with Outlaw. It's a great game. Opal fruit, I'll take Opal. Opal fruits all day long. What a game this is. Absolutely love it. Right, I'll bring these back in once I get there. Right, here we go. Opal fruits time. I'm actually happy this came up. £81, dear oh dear. I haven't played this for ages. Me and Kevin used to love this. And we used to get it all the time. See when we first started the channel and stuff, we were on this quite a lot, and we used to get it quite a lot. But there were some who used to struggle to get it. But see the last, I'd say maybe year and a half, it's solid for us. Like totally solid to get it. And that's how I'm hardly ever on it now. It's just the games and the slots have changed though, innit? They're all like that. Right, but anyway though, hopefully we can get it. Right, I'll do the usual, bring these back in about 50x. There's the bonus! There's the bonus! It's £1.56! Oh, this wheel on it, I love the wheel. I haven't had a bonus in Opal fruits in long enough and it's cost me £1.56. Yes, man. Alright, come on. Please, me and Kevin. Kevin loves this. Kevin will be happy to see this. Just need to wins in early. Come on. Get these triggers, it's good. Can I get a win? Couldn't get a win there. I win a spin. Oh, man. Come on, Opal. Please don't dead spin. Oh no, I never saw the aces. Need plums. No. Wilds. 9. Need a 9. No. Win a spin. No. Need 2 wins. 2 wins in 1 spin. There's the aces. Oh, how's that not a win? What do we need? We need 5 wins out of 3 spins. It's not happening. Need a miracle. Wilds. Nah. I think that's the worst we've ever had in Opal. Do you know that? That's the worst I think we've ever done on Opal fruits. It's a bonus though. I'm happy. I'm actually ecstatic that we got the bonus on it. I mean, it's straight in. You can't complain at that, I'll tell you. Right, no win. I think we're at £1, huh? £1.78 maybe? It says 198, but it'll be 178. Right, anyway, back to the field. That's happy days for me. Right, come on. Hit me with Outlaw. I'm desperate to get a game of Outlaw. Pirate pays, I'll take that. I like this and all. I don't like that the Rasputin Megaways. It's honestly 40 odd minutes the other day. They've never done a thing. What's this remove all instant? I don't know what that is. That doesn't usually come up, is it? I have no clue. Right, anyway, I'll bring these back in once I get there. Right, here we go. Pirate pays Megaways. Right, sitting at 83. Right, we'll stick that straight into the auto click. And I'll do the usual, bring these back in about 50x. Let us know how it's been playing. Right, here we go. There's £10 1p in, and I've been on for 10 minutes 11 seconds. I've actually had loads of teasies. I've had about maybe 6 teasies on it. So I'm hoping it can. Oh, there's 2. I'm hoping we can actually get another 6 teasies in this next 50x, and then to me we should be able to get a bonus on it. But again, I hope I've no jinxed it. Usual in it. Hey, anyway though, hopefully I can get it. I'll bring these back in. Come on. Oh, there it's there. More. Oh no, that is a tease. Is it, huh? I thought that. I'm thinking, is it 4? I'm thinking, no, where was my mind here? It was for more. That's right. Anyway, right, here we go. Now somebody told me you're actually better off taking your very first. See the very first offer? That's usually the better one. Mind you, it's only 2 that way. See, there's 18 spins. 18 spins you're getting there. Right, just reject it. Watch this. Hang on a minute. I'm taking that. You've got to take that, surely. 12 spins be starting with a times 10? Hang on a minute. 8 by 10, 10 by 10. They're 12 by 8. I'm a way up here. I've got to take that, surely. Surely, what have I got? I don't know what to do, folks. But you know, I'm taking that. I'm taking it. I was going to reject it, but I'm taking that. Times 10, it's 12. Anything's paying here. Hey, 12 to 10, I'm meaning. What did we start with there? I've been reading that wrong. I don't even know. I'm getting tired. Been on this lots all day. Times 14, they're queens. Oh, get the ace in. Ace or jack, mate. Ace, jack, king. Oh, yeah, man. Kings are nearly on the road. Right, come on, anything pays here. Times 15 with 6 spins. Straight across. That goes straight across that way. That's pain. They're jacks. Times 17. Nearly a re-trigger. Come on, 6 spins here. Let's see, this is where I get excited. This thing can now go off its nut. Wilds, man, doing that bottom bit. They're 9s. What do we need, queen? Come on, man. Wilds. Get the wild things down the bottom is going off. 9s. Need a king or a blue thing? Neither. For once, get these wilds in, man. Times 19. Come on. There. You needs to go that way. This but not doesn't. 1596. See, a green there was paying a bomb. A green on the first was paying a fortune. There's the tune. There's the tune of tunes. That's the best count-up tune in any game by an absolute mile. Right, come on, do that again. Times 20. Good bit of profit, 30 quid. Wilds. Away, man. £30. I'm ecstatic with that. We're up £15. See, I was honestly going to reject that there. But to me, it's going to cheat you. There's so many of the reds left though. It's just knowing my luck I'd be left with one of the fucking blues. Right, they're £98. And I'll tell you, I'm getting tired. I'm hungry and I'm tired. I've been slotting all day. I've been on the slots there for 4 hours. It's now 9:15 and I've still some teething stuff to get, and I've got a lot to do and then get the video ready and stuff. But there, again, thank you so much for getting your voting in the polls, and please always check the posts every single Thursday for the polls here on YouTube. The more of you that get involved, the better. Right, I so hope you enjoyed the video, and I've just got to say, folks, I hope every single one of you are all safe and well, and you're all in good health, and please stay safe, folks. I'll leave you with the usual. Thanks for watching.